Why is my HVAC system blowing warm air instead of cold air? The most common reason is that the outdoor condenser unit is dirty, blocked, or low on refrigerant, which stops the system from pulling heat out of your indoor air. So instead of cool air coming through your vents, you just get room temperature or warm air blowing out. Think of your cooling system like a sponge that soaks up heat from inside your house and squeezes it outside. The indoor part pulls warm air in, and a special liquid called refrigerant grabs that heat and carries it to the outdoor unit, where it gets released into the outside air. If that refrigerant is low because of a leak, the system cannot grab enough heat, so the air coming back inside feels warm instead of cool. Another sneaky cause that most homeowners never think about is a dirty air filter, because when air cannot flow through freely, the indoor coil can actually freeze up, and frozen coils blow warm air until they thaw. A thermostat set to the wrong mode, or with a dying battery, can also trick you into thinking the whole system is broken when it is really just a tiny setting issue. Checking your filter once a month and swapping it out is one of the easiest and cheapest fixes you can do yourself. One common mistake people make is assuming warm air always means the whole system is dying, when it is often just a clogged filter or a tripped breaker. So always check the simple stuff first before panicking. Another misconception is that closing vents in unused rooms saves energy, but it actually puts extra pressure on the system and can lead to warm air problems. So keep vents open and let the system breathe. A lot of people also forget that refrigerant is not something you just refill like gas in a car, since a low level almost always means there is a leak somewhere that needs to be found and sealed by a professional. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.